Okay, good day everyone. Our presentation is about senior high school track and strands. Today we're going to discuss the choices of student in grade 11 and 12. So before that, what is senior high at bakit nga ba siya? Importanteng stage ng education. So senior high school is an important stage of education where students develop knowledge, skills, and career readiness by choosing subject aligned with their interests and future goals. So senior high school also helping them to become more prepared for college, work, and life. So si senior high school daw po ay isang mahalagang parte ng ating pag-aaral kung saan dito nadidevelop ang ating kaalaman, skills, para makapag-decide tayo sa kung ano nga bang interest ang gusto nating ipagpatuloy sa college or maging sa totoong buhay. So, sa senior high school, meron tayong 4 na tracks na pwedeng pagpilian, and these are academic track, tech voc track, sports track, and arts and design track. So each track focuses on different skills and future careers. So here is the 4 tracks. Again, we have academic track, tech voc track, sports track, and arts and design track. So the first one track is academic, and academic track has 4 under strands, and they are STEM, Science, Technology, Engineering, Mathematics, which the best for students interested in science, engineering, or medicine. The second one is ABM for business-related courses or yung mahilig sa math, sa business. So, ABM will be the best for you. The third one is UMS for student interested in social sciences, education, or law. O yung mga students na gustong maging abogado, gustong pumasok sa politics. So, UMS is the right one. And fourth is GAS or General Academic Strand for students who are still undecided. So, dito naman tayo sa Technical Vocational Livelihood or the Tech Voc Track TVL. So, Home Economics OHE, Cooking, Caregiving, Housekeeping, and Dressmaking, Information and Communication Technology or ICT, Agri-Fishery Arts, Industrial Arts. So, dito naman sa Tech Voc is yung kung para kung mahilig ka magluto, magaling ka sa mga computer. So, under siya ng Tech Voc or TVL track. Now, sa sports track, we have safety and first aid, understanding human, movement, general coaching courses, fitness, leadership, sport recreation, student athlete, and enhancement information. So, dito sa sports track, from the word sports, so yung sa mga mahihilig siya sa sports. And the last one is art and design track. Visual art, music, dance, theater, media art, fashion design. So, dito, kung mahilig kang gumawa ng kanta, magaling kang sumayaw, so magaling ka sa fashion or sa pagdi-design, so arts and design track will be the best for you. So, those tracks has the core subject, and this will be taken by all the students. So, we have oral communication, reading and writing, general mathematics, statistics and probability, earth and life science, physical science, P and health, so personal, and the last one is personal development. Now, for the applied subject, we have English for academic professional purposes, research and daily life 1, research for daily life 2, entrepreneurship, empowerment technology, or e-tech, and research project or communicating activity. So, meron din tayong specialization of subject. So, sa STEM, ang Specialization nila is pre-calculus, basic calculus, biology, physics, chemistry, and work immersion. So, sa ABM naman, marami din silang specialization. Or pag sinabi kasi nating specialization, ito yung parang major nila. Dito talaga sila magaling. Ito talaga yung main na pinag-aaralan nila. So, yun. Meron sa ABM, meron siyang applied economics, business math, marketing, business ethics, social responsibility, business finance, organization and management, principal marketing. Meron din silang work immersion or yung tinatawag na research. So, sa UMS, ang specialization naman nila is creative writing, world religious, Philippine politics, discipline and ideas in the social sciences, discipline and ideas in the applied sciences. Meron din silang work immersion or yung research. So, sa GAS naman, flexible mix depending siya sa school. Social science 1, applied economics, organization management, elective 1 and 2, and meron din silang work immersion or yung research. So, to conclude, senior high school gives students different options based on their interests and future goals. So, si senior high school is nakakatulong talaga siya, no? Kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mong piliin, ano ba talaga yung gusto mong maging in the future. So, choosing the right track can help students to become more preferred for college, work, or businesses. Okay? So, choose a track based on your interests, skills, and future career goals. Senior high school will help you to prefer for college, for your work, or for your future businesses. Okay? So, I hope you learned. Thank you for listening. Do you have any question? If none, okay. I will now say goodbye.